Makes a lot of difference.
Yeah,
I think
it does.
किस किस्म का आप सेट बना कर रखते हैं, किस किस्म का माहौल बनाते हैं, and kudos to the director for doing that. I'd like to jump to Pooja, my dear friend once again. We've worked together too. Pooja, मैं जानता हूँ कि uh, the support of your co-actors, ये जितने stalwarts यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, I don't think you had this. कई बार होता है when you know a star batter is playing, another star batter is there, एक दूसरे से support पे खेल जाते हैं. But you held your own in your own space. That one scene when you return back home and you find your husband's suitcase, unpacked suitcase over there. I think it was a very beautiful scene. And Pooja, all these years of what you've done, faced so many cameras, it showed, man.
Thank you so much, Mantra. It means a lot. As much as I would have absolutely loved to have been in the same, sharing the frame with all these wonderful actors, or at least be a fly on the wall when they were, doing their scenes. I was in fact really fortunate that even though I didn't have other co-actors, I had to my advantage the amount of research the Sanjay ji, Sarita ji, Trishant, Anubhav sir, all of them and their team had done. I had that research, I had Sir's interpretation or rather direction of where I was supposed to take that, and as an added advantage, the real captain Devi Sharan's real elder daughter's real younger daughter is playing my younger daughter.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
That's a great insight.
So Devi Sharan ji ki beti ki beti is playing one of the daughters. Because of that, she was on set and I could have a conversation. I used to ask her, what was it like? Because she was older than I think she was, the daughter was 10 or 12 years old when this had happened. And I used to ask her, how was it like? How was it like to see your mother? And so I had all those advantages. And then in my preparation, I understood that this is a woman who is a symbol of a vulnerability, but also strength. As much as she's worried about what is going to happen to her husband and everybody on that flight, but she was also the source of strength for people around her, especially her daughters. So yeah, that was my understanding.
I'm glad, Pooja, and thank you for that insight. And in fact, Sarita ji, Sanjay ji, to be playing Chief Sahab, and by the way, Rajiv Thakur has sent a lot of love, Anubhav bhai, aapke liye, and he was the first guy. He's a very old friend. हमने बहुत साल साथ काम किया, and he was the first person I called at the end of the series, and I said, Thakur Sahab, यार दिल खुश कर देता है यार. To see, and another thing which I told him is that he's made the fraternity so proud. Generally, people are always नहीं, अरे stand-up comedy, अरे comic या comic कितनी जल्दी categorize कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. But ठाकुर साहब is an actor. अमृतसर में जिन्होंने रंगमंच कर के इतना समय बिताया, in fact कपिल पाजी भारती उनके थिएटर देखने जाते थे. And he's been there to cast him in those roles, to see Manoj ji do the negotiator. I mean, of course, Manoj sir has such a wide range, but it's the casting that worked so brilliantly. What kind of thought process that went into it?
So I think any department is a collaborative effort, and the same thing happened here. But it was, of course, led by Mr. Anubhav Sinha. This whole cast came together so beautifully just because of him.
Anubhav sir, in fact, coming to you with the same question, it's nothing that offbeat कोई चीज़ नहीं होती, लेकिन उसके बावजूद एक नज़रिया, अलग नज़रिए से जब audience कुछ देखती है तो they really enjoy it because they've not really seen something like this. Casting process for you too.
Casting process started when we were writing.
Ji.
So every time a new character comes up and it's of significance, and then Trishant and I would start discussing names. And there were some names that were obvious, if anything I do, I end up calling those X number of names. And we ended up... So we ended up casting everyone, Manoj, Kumud, Diya, Vijay. So Vijay was the first one to be cast, actually. Vijay, Arvind, all that happened. And then suddenly these two characters was slowly growing. So in the beginning, they didn't feel like they'll become very significant. But after a point, we figured, no, these are two very significant characters. And then a meeting happened that who plays these two parts.
जी
So, and then we started thinking of names. हिमाकत सबसे पहले दिमाग में नहीं आई. हिमाकत थोड़ी लेट आई दिमाग में.
जी
फिर एक दिन ऐसे अलामत सी हुई कुछ के नसीर भाई और पंकज भाई से बात करते हैं. तो मैं पहले नसीर भाई के पास गया तो नसीर भाई उस दिन अच्छे मूड में थे. तो उन्होंने कहा हाँ ठीक है मैं कर रहा हूँ. मेरी बात ख़त्म भी नहीं हुई थी अभी. तो मैंने कहा डन. मैं भाग गया इससे पहले
इससे पहले कि ना बोले
इससे पहले कि इरादा बदले.
इससे पहले कि पूछे कहाँ किधर कैसे.
फिर इनको फ़ोन किया. बोले नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा. फिर जो कारण इन्होंने बताया कि इनको पूरा पढ़ना था, पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं था, वो सब था. फिर मैं जों को गया, चिपक गया जाके इनके ऊपर. फिर इन्होंने पढ़ा क्या है, ओके करता हूँ. तो ये ऐसा कुछ हुआ, मतलब खेल खेल में ही हो गया. और जब सीएमजी शूट कर रहे थे तो थोड़ा एहसास हुआ था कि यार कमाल है यार, ये क्या बात है. कमलजीत सिंह साहब, सुशांत, आदित्य श्रीवास्तव,
True,
दिव्येंदु चैटर्जी, यशपाल शर्मा. यशपाल शर्मा को मैं कभी मिला ही नहीं था पहले. उन्होंने बोल दिया मुकेश को कि हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ, एक दिन का काम है.
जी
फिर वो आ गए. दिव्येंदु का नाम लिया ना मैंने, भट्टाचार्य बोला, भट्टाचार्य, दिव्येंदु भट्टाचार्य. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था. हाँ तो वो आए तो वो उनसे मैं सबसे ज़्यादा वो था कि वो इस पूरे ग्रुप के साथ भी नहीं थे. उनका अकेले एक कमरे में, छोटे से कमरे में 4 सीन थे. तो आए तो गले वले मिले. तो मैंने गले मिलते हुए उनके कान में बोला कि आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू डूइंग दिस, बट मैं आपका ऋणी हो गया, आपका एहसानमंद हो गया. बोला बस इसीलिए कर रहा हूँ. तो नॉर्मली ये वो एक्टर्स हैं जो बहुत मीटी पार्ट्स करते हैं, पर ये स्क्रिप्ट ऐसी बन पड़ी थी कि जिसमें ऐसा कोई सिंगुलर मीटी पार्ट नहीं था. और टू बी फॉर एन एक्टर हमेशा बेचारा बहुत बेचारा होता है कि उसके हाथ में चीज़ें कम होती हैं. उसको पता नहीं होता कितना बचेगा, कितना शूट होगा, एडिट में कितना रहेगा. तो उसमें एक ट्रस्ट करके इतने सारे लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि एंड ऑफ द डे मैंने अभी तक किसी से शिकायत नहीं सुनी, भले वो यशपाल जी हों या सुशांत हों या दिव्येंदु हों. एवरीवन इज हैप्पी. सो इट सीम्स द होल एनर्जी एज अ होल is something that all of them subscribe to. And
Absolutely, and what an ensemble. मेरे ख्याल से ये मंच छोटा पड़ जाता अगर पूरी कास्ट यहाँ पर आ जाती. ये फिर से जिला घोषित करना पड़ता, लेट जैसे जगह ही नहीं बचती यहाँ पर. But I'm glad that you guys actually made it. Naseer साहब, I'd like to come back to you. You and Pankaj sir go back a long, long way, and I mean, loads and loads of love and blessings to both of you. Thank you so much for being around and keep doing what you've been doing. शायद आप दोनों भूल गए होंगे आपने कितने सीन साथ में काम किए, कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स में साथ में काम किए, but does he still surprise you today when you meet him on set? Pankaj sir, the same question to you too about Naseer saab.
Always, every time. That's why it is such a joy to work with him, because he's unpredictable.
True.
And you know that this is a person who's thoroughly done his preparation. And I also make it a point to be completely prepared. So it's great fun. It's like playing a set of tennis with somebody who's, you know,
Good old days of Pete Sampras,
yeah,
Andre Agassi.
absolutely, yeah. Where you envy his game and you also respect it at the same time.
Absolutely, very well explained.
And there's something else I'd like to add, that the success of IC814 gives a sense of hope to us all, I think. It would be too much of a sweeping statement to say that the audiences have grown up and all that sort of thing. But the success of movies like Anubhav's own Mulk or Thappad or several others which were unconventional movies and which didn't pander to popular taste. All of them didn't succeed, well-intentioned and well-made though they may have been. But it definitely it gives us a sense of hope. And the fact that there are so many wonderful actors who are being discovered through OTT is also a fantastic thing.
Absolutely, a natural progression from cinema to OTT. Pankaj saab, same question to you too about Naseer saab.
I think I've heard such lovely, kind words from somebody I admire deeply, and I'm always when I'm working with him, there's a sixth sense within me which is always ready to learn, to see what he's up to, what new I can learn from him, because that's the kind of respect and sort of awe I hold him in. So he has said some beautiful words for me, and I'm going to relish them for the years that there are left for me. Thank you so much, Nasir,
Thank
for
you,
that.
sir. Thank you, sir. And we will continue to relish both of you, inshallah, for a long, long time to come. Thank you so much. Manoj साहब, मैं वो नेगोशिएशन वाले सीन से बाहर नहीं निकल पाया हूँ मैं अभी तक के. वहाँ से बाहर ने.
थैंक यू मतलब थैंक यू मतलब मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि इतना इतना अच्छा लगेगा लोगों को, बट जेन्युइनली मैं तो बस कोशिश किया था कि नेगोशिएशन की तरह की जाए, और उससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँगा. थैंक यू.
ऐसा है कि पिताजी डांट भी रहे हैं, एक बॉस अथॉरिटी से बात भी कर रहा है, बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं उसमें.
आ गए होंगे मतलब मेरे को बोलते हैं. मतलब मैं तो जैसे हमारे गुरुजन हैं वो लोग जो शिक्षा दी है कि स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ो, स्क्रिप्ट इज द बाइबल, मैं तो वही पढ़ता रहता हूँ और वही मेरा. बाकी लेयर आ गए, कैसे आ गए, कितने आ गए, वो छोड़ देता हूँ मैं.
ये बेस्ट जादू हो गया, हमें ना पूछो जादू कैसे हुआ. But yes, Vijay, you say.
My favorite dialogue is he says, क्या करेंगे $200 मिलियन का? पाकिस्तानी बोलिए, पाकिस्तान में ही खर्च करेंगे ना.
इनफैक्ट ये जो लिखाई की भी बात हो रही है दुशांत, जो इतने सारे लेयर्स आपके इतने सारे ट्रैक्स चल रहे हैं, टू बी एबल, कितने ड्राफ्ट्स बने भाई इस प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत में?
इस सवाल का जवाब हम नहीं देंगे. कितने एडिट ड्राफ्ट और कितने राइटिंग ड्राफ्ट, उसका जवाब नहीं.
मतलब किस ईयर में, मतलब मैं ये तब तो शायद किताबें लिखी जा रही थी, पर हर साल के अपने सेट ऑफ ड्राफ्ट्स रहे हैं. बट ये लास्ट सेट ऑफ ड्राफ्ट्स था जो मैंने और अनुभव सर ने साथ में बैठ के लिखा, तो उसके भी पता नहीं कितने, हर रोज़ मतलब शूट हो रहा होता था, और ये जो सीन्स हैं वो हम बैठ के इम्प्रोवाइज वहाँ भी लिखाई हो रही थी. तो लिखाई आई थिंक शूट ख़त्म होने के दिन तक चली है. तो हर दिन की बैठे हैं कुछ एक उसमें, और फिर सर के साथ काम करने का एक फ़ायदा ये है कि हर बार सीन आपके पास है, उसमें थोड़ा सा कुछ ये कर देते हैं, थोड़ा सा कुछ वो कर देते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास इतने सारे ही ग्रेट एक्टर्स थे. तो वो लिखाई करने में मज़ा भी आया, वो एग्जॉस्टिंग भी थी, वो एक्सिलरेटिंग भी थी, पर ड्राफ्ट्स याद नहीं रखने चाहिए.
याद भी नहीं किया. कुमुद सर, इतने सारे सीक्वेंसेस हुए हैं क्या, समथिंग दैट विल स्टे बैक विथ यू, मोस्ट मेमोरेबल फॉर दिस सीरीज?
मतलब कोई एक कहना तो
मुश्किल है,
बहुत मुश्किल है. मनोज भाई का वो नेगोशिएशन का जो पहला डायलॉग जब आया था, तो
आपका अरविंद सर का और मनोज सर का वो पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस बिना कुछ कहे जाने वाला, जब मनोज सर आके बोलते हैं मैं जाके बात करता हूँ, अरविंद सर आपसे बोलते नहीं, एंड यू जिससे बात कर, है ना
जी. अब उसके बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ. हाँ मतलब अच्छा था,
बहुत सुंदर रहा. एंड अब चाय कॉफी की तो बात ही नहीं करेंगे मनोज सर, वो फिर चर्चाएं फिर बाद में चलती रहेगी इस चीज की. लेकिन इफ आई कम बैक टू विजय, टू यू, Patulekha, to you too, there are roles, there are characters that change you as a performer because you live through some things, and of course there is so much that has already happened. Do you think that happens with actors when they go through characters that leave back something with you, and were your characters in this series the same? Patra? Any transformations?
I mean, nothing that, that you actively try to catch on to or remember, but it does its own thing. I think also stories come to you at a certain point in your life when you're ready for them. Or sometimes stories get you ready for something. So, but these things are so invisible. It's really like too philosophical to kind of make sense of it.
True, sir.
But I was deeply happy that Captain Devisharan enjoyed the work. He called and gave me a pat on the back. And also Mrs. Sharan, उन्होंने बोला कि I know this man more than he knows himself, and I can tell you that you've come very close to him. So that was that was,
That was the biggest compliment that could
yeah,
come to you.
I think there was some responsibility that I didn't really understand when I was doing it. But when I heard it, I felt like शायद मेरी कोई responsibility थी जो मैंने ठीक से कर दी.
Patra?
Well, it did take a toll on the physical health because I told you, and plus it was last year during the rains we were shooting. And again, I'm coming back to the fact that we were like some 100-odd crew people inside the flight and somebody got some fever and then it just went on we all got down with fever. Anubhav sir was shooting with a 102-degree fever. But the show went on. And I didn't realize what took a toll on me. After finishing the shoot that same night, I was taking a flight to somewhere else for some other shoot. And I didn't realize that what the shoot had done, There's a point in the series where the toilet is overflowing and, my brilliant co-actor who did such a fine job, Aditi, she was inside the toilet and she was cleaning it up. And I don't know, somehow Anubhav sir created this mahol. We could literally smell the stench. All that actually left a toll and it took some time for me to get rid of the thoughts.
Wow. It's been an intense series, but at the same time, there were so many. Every member of this cast has not only delivered an absolutely at par performance, but also there is something beyond which I don't think we can ever put it in words. Once again, thank you so much, my dear friends, my seniors, people who I love and respect a lot for being here and for delivering such an amazing performance. And we will go towards the photo op right now. Unfortunately, we won't be taking up any questions, my dear friends. We've all... Gigi, of course. I'm extremely sorry, sir, but unfortunately, we've been given a clear direction towards this that we won't be able... Anubhav, sir, would you...
कौन आप लगा रहे हैं आरोप?
We can't be, unfortunately. Anubhav, sir. That statement has been declared.
हाँ शांति से बात.
Cool. Anubhav, sir,
ये
you don't
सवाल
have...
आपका है? नहीं. नहीं, ये जो सवाल आपने पूछा, क्या सब वो आप फिर आरोप बताइए आपके आपने सीरीज देखी है? आपने सीरीज देखी है? 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 मैं बात नहीं कर सकता आपसे, आपने सीरीज ही नहीं देखी है.
Okay. Once again, thank you so much, my dear friends. And guys, we have a wonderful session for photo op. Thank you so much for asking that question. We would like to thank Netflix India for actually relaying such a wonderful series for us. Thank you very much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, this is for you. Starting from right.